Yeah, so today we're heading to the mall to get some stuff to cook. Pick up some lovely meals, and guess what I'm cooking today? Saltfish and tomato and dumpling and sweet potato. So I can't do the video in the supermarket, so you just see when I'm finished what I bought. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be going shopping on the menu, so I'll be picking up some stuff, and I'm here with my boss today. Say hi.
Hi guys, how you doing?
And this is Chef Adrian.
I think we have something amazing for you later. Stay tuned.
Okay. Hey, yes, sir. Alright, see, saltfish, you know. I'm gonna boil out the saltfish, you know. Okay, so today I'll be cooking saltfish and tomato and dumpling and food as we call it in Jamaica. Yes, something sweet potato, plantain, carrots. That's it for lunch today. So stay tuned, guys. So here I have all my vegetables. There's my tomato, my onion, my garlic, my chili pepper, my spring onion, which is scallion, and my capsicum. Here are all my seasoning for the saltfish. Here's my dough for dumpling, and here is my food. So I'm going to go ahead and cook now, so you will see the finished dish. Here's my saltfish, and this saltfish came from Jamaica, and I'm taking so much time with it. I'm pinching it, as we call it. I want it to serve me. Yes. So this is a portion of saltfish I'll be using for today. Yes. So stay tuned, and remember to like, share, and to subscribe. Okay. Thank you. And the pot bubbling. All the foods are in, and here the pot with all the seasons. Saute all the seasoning, and then next I'm going to put the saltfish. So here is the finished dish. Yeah. Yes, so this is the finished dish. Thank you guys. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Chef Yuva. Thank you.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.